All right, we are taking a look here at the Sony XP500. This is a very cool party sound speaker. Take a look at the LED lights here on the bottom, and it's got some lights at the top, making it look pretty cool. It does have like a handle here where you can pick it up and lift it up. Let's take a look at the top here. Your power button, it's got your Bluetooth control, play and pause. There's your volume control, and then signifies if the Mega Boost is on or not. It's got a metal feel here, plastic here, and plastic there. So the front part is metal. You can see it's got the big old bass subwoofers on the top and the bottom. There's your highs right there. But here are some of the specifics with this. The XP500, this is your current price at a local Best Buy store. Elevate the party with X-Balance speakers that pump out pounding bass and crisp sound. Keep dancing up to 20 hours of battery life on this thing. So it can pretty much last a full day on a single charge of battery. So you don't have to always have it plugged in. You can just run off the battery, which is nice. It makes it very versatile. Unleash your inner pop star with microphone and guitar inputs. On the back side, you can hook in case you want to put have like karaoke and hook up a microphone to it. Give your party a fresh modern look with indicator illumination LED lights. So there it is. That's a look at the Sony XP500.